This video is about monohybrid cross given by Mendel. A monohybrid cross is a cross between two organisms which differ in a single trait. For example, let us take two plants in the parental generation having a genotype of T showing a phenotype of tall is crossed with a parent having small t genotype which is dwarf. These plants produces gametes which is T for this and small t for this. From these two gametes, we will get the F1 progeny which is of genotype T small t and this will be tall. This is because there is a dominant allele along with a recessive allele. So the dominant allele only expresses in the F1 generation and all the plants which are produced in the F1 generation will be only tall plants. Now this plant is being selfed. So we have to write T small t crossed with T small t. To find out the progenies obtained from selfing the F1 plants, we can use the Punnett square to find it out. We should write the gametes from the male parent and female parent on the sides. So when we cross this and this, we will get T. When we cross this and this, we will get T small t. Likewise, when we cross these two, we will get T small t, and these two, it gives small t. Since we have both the alleles as dominant, this plant will be a tall plant. We have one dominant, then also it will be a tall plant. Here also one dominant, it will be a tall plant, but here it is both are recessive, that is homozygous recessive condition. This will be dwarf. From this, since we've got 3 tall plants and 1 dwarf plant, we can write the phenotypic ratio as 3:1. When we write the genotypic ratio, it is 1:2:1 because we've got 1 T and 2 T small t and 1 small t. So T 1, small t 1 and T small t 2. So this is the phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio of monohybrid cross. From this monohybrid cross, Mendel gave two principles. The first one is law of dominance and the second one is law of segregation. Thank you for watching.